Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are unboxing the base box for Boxycharm for April 2022, and I did try one of the items, so I have a little first impressions review for that one. If you guys are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, I highly doubt that, but if you are, it's a beauty subscription. This one is, did they up it? It's like $25 to $28 a month. I should know this every time I say that. I think it was Ipsy that went up to $28. So it's around $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items every single month. And I've been subscribed to Boxycharm forever. This is one I pay for, not sent in PR, so no sponsorships or affiliate links or anything like that. I will leave a referral link down below though. I get some credit if you use that to subscribe. And yeah, is that everything? I think that's all we need to say about Boxycharm. I did open the premium box, which is about $10 more, and you get another item or 2 each month, and I opened that just a few days ago, so I will link that down below. But yeah, let's get started. But before we do so, hey guys, welcome or welcome back if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you love them too and you haven't already, I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around. So I'll see you in future videos. But let's get back to Boxy. So you get to customize 1 item each month for the base box and 2 for the premium. And I was a little late when I went to customize the April box, and the item I really wanted was out, at least in the shade I wanted. It was a foundation by Abh. So I decided to do mystery, like pick for me. I've never done that. Usually I select the items or I just completely forget, so I kind of tell them to select for me. But I just had this feeling, even though they're out of my shade or anything even like close, nothing even close to my shade. It was only like way darker shades because I'm like on the very end of the spectrum, like the light end. So all of the shades near mine and my ideal shade were just all sold out, it said. And I went to pick mystery, and I just had this feeling, maybe I'll get it. You guys, I did! It's the perfect shade, and I love it. So this is the Abh Foundation. I got it in 160C. It might be like slightly like a more yellow tone than neutral, but I think it works. So I remember when this came out a year or 2 ago, and there was like mixed reviews maybe, but when I heard of it, I was like the luminous foundation, and I just had this feeling I would like it. I just like knew. My intuition was like, yes, that foundation is for you, but I already had like 10 foundations, and I wasn't going to go out and spend $45. Like, that's why I like subscription boxes. I get my beauty products and all my products at a discount, you know, and it's really nice, and I get to try things I normally wouldn't. So I am so excited I got this. I just like, yeah, I was, you know, knew in my heart I would, and I got it. It's $38. It is seriously luminous like it says. I don't like matte anything. I feel like it makes my skin look dry and older than it is and stuff. I like dewy. Like, I don't even care if I look like I'm like sweaty and like, you know, too dewy. I don't think that's a thing. I think dewy is amazing. So I love this so far. I just put it on like a half hour ago or less, and I really do think it is luminous, and it didn't like settle into my lines or anything. I'm really liking it. I'm so excited I still got this. So yeah, you guys have to let me know what you think. It says it's a luminous natural finish, and I totally agree. A lot of foundations just look like foundations on me. That's why I usually gravitate towards like tinted moisturizers and like BB creams and stuff, because I feel like they don't look as like fake, you know, and they're more moisturizing. Like, I just love anything that's doing moisturizing. So only thing I tried so far in the box, and I love it. It made in the box for me. The value's over the box, so I'm just so excited. I'm so excited I got that. It's what I wanted. But let's move on to the next item. We got something by Sella, or is that how you say it? I think so. I always like their packaging. It looks like marble. This is their Gentle Glacial, did I say that right? Gentle Glacial Cleansing Cream. So it's helps remove makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal fresh, glowing appearance. Awesome. I love one of their moisturizers. It's like the rose, something with rose in it. I don't know, but it's so good. I'm excited to try this, actually. I think I'm almost out of cleanser, so that's actually good timing, because I gave the rest of mine away, I believe. But anyways, next up by Studio Makeup. Oh, do you want to know the price of the seal? Whoa, this is $45. That's a lot for a cleanser. See, one thing I'm glad I got in a box because I would never go out and buy that on my own. But the next item is by Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. So this is moisturizing. You can use it morning and or evening. See, hyaluronic acid is great for moisturizing your skin. I feel like most products have it now, but I think they say this is like ultra. Yes, it's perfect for all ages. This is $45 too. It's ultra or highly concentrated hyaluronic acid, and it works quickly to reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity. Nice. This is exactly what I was saying I like. It says it keeps your skin highly moisturized throughout the day, looking radiant and youthful. Yes, please. And then the next two items are makeup items. We have here by Lucky Chick. I'm not sure I've tried this brand before. Liquid eyeshadow in rose quartz. I love crystals and stuff. I was thinking about putting this on earlier, but I haven't decided if I want to keep it or not because I'm just not one to reach for this type of product, but it does look very pretty. And I do like quick, easy looks, so maybe I'll look at some reviews and some swatches and then decide, but if not, I'll either like put on Mercari or in a future giveaway, which by the way, if you guys are new here, I pick a random subscriber each and every single month on the 1st, and I post it on my community tab, and I send you a box of goodies. So if you want to double check if you're subscribed, because I know YouTube unsubscribes people sometimes, so I've been trying to remember to say that in these videos. I won't say it every video, because you know, I want my tried and true people that are here all the time to know about the giveaways. I know some people might miss that, so yeah, subscribe for monthly giveaways and daily videos. But the last thing here is by Item Beauty. And this is a mascara. It's called the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. I totally have a hair in my face. So this will probably go to one of you because I love Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and it's not a video of mine if I don't mention that. So this is $15, and that liquid eyeshadow is $22. Oh, I love that it's a crystal name and $22. I feel like they're spiritual. Oh, and for Lucky Chick, it actually says here it's a new brand to Boxy. And also they say the Stila brand is new to Boxy, but they've definitely been in Ipsy before. But that was everything, you guys. So I only tried one thing like I mentioned, and I love it, and it already made the box for me, but I'm excited to try the rest. I probably won't keep the mascara for reasons I just mentioned, but I think I'll use the other items unless I decide to pass on this liquid eyeshadow. I'm gonna look at swatches. Let me know if you guys got that and how it performs. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm, what you think of my Boxycharm, and if you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxy, again, my referral link would be down below. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for being here. I am so grateful for you guys every single day. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.